We start by using the Fetch API to request data from an external source. Fetch will asynchronously request the resource at the specified URL. Once our request is sent, we receive a promise. We use the then method to handle this promise and pass in a callback function that will receive the response object. Within our callback, we first check if the response object's OK property is true. This property indicates whether the response status code is in the successful range between 200 and 299. If the response was not successful, we throw a new error. The error message network response was not OK will be useful for debugging purposes. If the response is successful, we proceed with the next steps. Here, we attempt to parse the response body as JSON. The JSON method also returns a promise, which we can chain with another then. Our callback function ends here. We chain another then to handle the data once it has been parsed into JSON format. Inside this callback, we have access to the parsed data. Here, we're logging the data to the console, but this is where you could manipulate or display the data as needed. We've completed our action for the fulfilled state of our JSON parsing promise. We now add a catch at the end of our promise chain to handle any errors that might be been thrown during any of the previous asynchronous operations. In our error callback, we're checking if the name of the error is type error, which often occurs with network issues, including when a CORS policy blocks a request. If our conditions are met, we log a specific error message that indicates a network or a CORS-related issue may have occurred, along with the error object for more information. If the error is of a different type, we move to the else block. Here, we handle all other errors by logging a general error message alongside the error details. We've now dealt with both specific and general types of errors that may occur during our fetch request. We've completed our error handling code. That's how we can handle CORS errors and other network issues gracefully in JavaScript using the Fetch API.